Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q3 Sport, finished in a Mythos black. The car has the Xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs. The front headlight wash jets, and as we move around to the side of the vehicle we have the 17-inch Y-spoke design alloy wheels. Chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof rails, and as we move to the rear we have the twin polished chrome exhaust with the rear parking sensors and also the LED backlights. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145 point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with a 4-way electronic lumbar support and the front black cloth sport seats. Automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. Audi's flip-up MMI display with DAB radio and navigation, with dual digital climate control, a 6-speed manual gearbox, with the electronic handbrake in conjunction with the auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi Q3 Sport, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.